In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install the Grade Transfer extension. So you want to go to the gradetransfer.com website. Notice that there's only one R in the name, and click on Add to Chrome. That will take you to the Chrome Web Store, which is also where you could start this process. And you want to click Add to Chrome. Yes, I do want to add to Chrome. Now it's been added to my list of extensions. You may need to click on the puzzle piece to see it, and then pin it so that you can see it on the bar at all times. Then once I click on it, it's going to ask me to sign in. You want to sign in with your Google account, specifically your jeffcoschools.us Google account, because that's where the licenses have been purchased for. Once you've signed in, the very first time you ever use it, it's going to tell you that you have only a 7-day free trial. You'll need to close Chrome and then relaunch Chrome. And then once you do that, the notice will be gone and your license will be updated. That's it.